The second thing is I want you to start repairing and rebuilding at the same time. Repairing and rebuilding at the same time if you have bad credit. The reason why I do that because a lot of times people just want to focus on repairing and never rebuild. And they always wonder, why my scores ain't improving? Your scores are not improving because you're not having things report to it. Or maybe you've been making late payments on your credit report that is keeps reporting every month. So the thing is, you gotta start rebuilding. And rebuilding calls, say if you need a car, go buy a car from a lot that is going to report to the credit bureaus. Don't go to the buy here, pay here lots. Those are a waste of time. Ask the company, what credit agency do you report to? Make sure they report to all three credit bureaus. All three. Make sure. And so it's so important that we focus on rebuilding and repairing. We're also getting secure cards.